Stall? For how long? What do I tell the director?
That we're looking for him.
Fat cat, Nick Skink, out in New York, running his factory, serving up these lollipops to people to pacify the...
Okay, that worked. That's good.
Yeah. No.
Like that?
Not like that. Now, Bruce?
Yeah.
No, so can you hold that just for a second, Josh? And now, can you go over there?
You gotta go that way.
Yeah.
Nick Skink, out in New York, running this factory, serving up these lollipops.
Lollipops.
Okay. Raj? Yeah. You're okay with
Shut up. Now you're gonna go out there and you're gonna finish Hail Caesar. You're gonna give that speech at the feet of the penitent thief and you're gonna believe every word you say.
Baird Whitlock. Oh, my. Well, he is certainly a great talent.
Now, Hail Caesar is a prestige picture, our biggest release of the year.
To Rome. To Rome!
Yes, to Rome. Glorious center of Caesar's rule.
Romans, before slaves.
You want George a little more, right?
So action is background action, everybody.
and action.
Hail Caesar 27, Baker 1.
What do you think? Is that enough awe?
Yeah, maybe a little more wonderment.
More, I mean more.
Ineffable.
Hey, Ted. Okay, darling. All right. They're all very happy.
And action.
Rain.
High school drunk. You're still good. Great school.
Background action.
We are heading out to sea, and however it'll be, it ain't gonna be the same. 'Cause no matter what we see when we're out there on the sea, we ain't gonna see a dame. We'll be searching high and low on the deck and down below, but it's a crying shame. Oh, we'll see a lot of fish, but we'll never clock a dish. We ain't gonna see a dame.
No, I swear to God, I'll do it right now. Okay. The first go round, it was right.
Hobie Doyle cannot act.
Hobart Doyle is one of the biggest movie stars in the world.
On horseback. But this is a drama, Mannix, a real drama. It's an adaptation of a Broadway smash. It requires the skills of a trained thespian, not a rodeo clown. I begged you for Lunt.
She's going to importune, Mr. Lawrence?
Lorenz?
I'm sorry. She's going to importune. Is that something I should be concerned about?
No, she'll simply ask you to join her on the couch, is all I mean to say.
Okay.
And then conversation ensues.
I got you.
Okay, very good, very good. Let's try one, shall we?
Sure, I'll give her a go.
Wonderful, splendid. Let's try this. Your line, just say it as I'm about to. Say your line exactly as I'm about to.
Okay, sure.
Would that it were so simple.
Would that it were so
No, my dear,
simple.
why do you say that? Why do you say twere?
She's going to importune, Mr. Lawrence?
Lorenz?
Oh, I'm sorry. She's going to importune? Is that something I should
No, she'll
be,
simply ask you to join her on the couch, is all I mean to say, and conversation
Okay.
ensues.
I got you.
Okay, very good, very good. Let's try one, shall we?
Okay, I'll give her a go.
Very momentary.
we're friends.
Well, we're fixing to be friendly, tell you that.
Well, that's good. Fixing to be friendly. That's good. Fix him to be friendly.
Yes.
And be my column headline.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you see that? Where are we?
Like
bosom to hat.
Yeah, no problem. I don't want to be in your way. I don't want to be the guy in your way. I'm not the guy in your way.
Ready? And action. 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you know that Star Trek Beyond is the first Star Trek film ever to be shot mostly in Vancouver, British Columbia, and not in Hollywood? All existing sets, including those of the Starship Enterprise, will be rebuilt from scratch in a large studio in Vancouver. Do you think we will be able to tell the difference? Click here for more cool videos. Thanks for watching.